Hello and welcome! In my previous healthy cooking video, I showed you how to make tahini using only sesame seeds. Today I'm using that tahini to make this delicious, creamy and oil-free homemade hummus. Here is what I used. 1 cup of dried chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of my homemade tahini, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. From spices I used half a teaspoon of cumin, paprika, and salt. First, place the chickpeas in a container and add plenty of water. I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. This helps them cook faster and turn extra soft, perfect for a silky hummus. Let them soak overnight. Once they are ready, drain and rinse well. Now it's time to boil them. I'm adding another quarter teaspoon of baking soda here for the best results. As they boil, you might notice some foam building up. Just skim it off for a cleaner result. I let mine cook for 45 minutes until perfectly tender. At the end you will see that the chickpeas will also start to open up, which is perfect for hummus. But if you need them to hold their shape for other dishes, skip the baking soda. When they are done, drain the chickpeas and let them cool only slightly. Now into the food processor they go. Using them warm makes blending easier and gives you extra creaminess. Next, add the tahini. Follow that with chopped garlic. Then in goes the lemon juice. I store mine as frozen cubes, super handy. Finally, the spices, cumin, paprika, and salt. Time to blend. If it's too thick, just add a splash of cold water or aquafaba until it's as smooth as you like. And here it is, nice and creamy. Scoop it onto a plate, shape it nicely. I enjoy my hummus with fresh veggies like zucchini, carrots, and sweet pepper. What a beautiful plate! This turned out delicious. So simple yet so good. Thanks for watching and bon appetit!